Let us solve the differential equation cos square x dy by dx plus y equal to 1. Now we want to somehow reduce this differential equation to the standard form dy by dx plus px times y equal to q, so that we can easily integrate it or we can solve it. So what we do is we multiply the above equation by sec square x. Let's call this equation to be equation 1. And we multiplying equation 1 by sec square x. So we multiply by sec square x. We multiply by sec square x. We multiply by sec square x. Okay, cos square times sec square is 1. So above equation can be written as dy by dx plus sec square x times y equal to sec square x. Once again, sec square x times y equal to sec square x. Now, okay, we got it standard equation. Now, if we get standard equation dy by dx plus px times y, then we need to find integrating factor. Integrating factor is given by e to the power p dx, e to the power integral of p dx, that's equal to e to the power integral of sec square x dx. We know that sec square x is derivative of 10x. In other words, integral of sec square x is just 10x, so integrating factor is e to the power 10x. Now once we get integrating factor, we should multiply, let's say this equation to be equation 2, we should multiply equation 2 by integrating factor. So multiply equation 2 by integrating factor, that is e to the power 10x. Once again, we should multiply this equation by e to the power 10x. E to the power 10x and e to the power 10x. So far so good. So we have multiplied the given equation by e to the power 10x. Now that will reduce the given equation to the simpler form d dx of e to the power 10x times y. Once again, d dx of e to the power 10x times y. If we differentiate it, first function e to the power 10x times derivative of second function dy by dx, fine, plus y times derivative of e to the power 10x. E to the power 10x, if we differentiate it, then we get e to the power 10x, and by chain rule derivative of 10x is sec square x equal to sec square x times e to the power 10x. We copy as it is. Now in the left hand side we can see that derivative, and opposite of derivative is integration. So let's integrate both sides. When we do it, opposite of derivative is integration. So left hand side we just got e to the power 10x times y. What about right hand side? If we integrate the left hand side, then we should integrate the right hand side as well. So integral of sec square x times e to the power 10x dx. So we can write left hand side as it is. We copy left hand side as it is. What about the right hand side? You see that sec square x can simply written as derivative of 10x. So sec square x dx can simply written as d of 10x. So given integral can be written as e to the power 10x d of 10x, and that's simply equal. Once again, given integral can be written as sec square x dx is d of 10x, so e to the power 10x d of 10x, and that's equal to e to the power 10x plus some constant. So e to the power 10x times y equal to e to the power 10x plus some constant. We can write it a bit simplified form, or we can leave it as it is. We divide throughout by e to the power 10x, and e to the power 10x will get cancelled, and so c times e to the power minus 10x. Well, of course, c is the constant of integration. If we choose c equal to 0, then y turns out to be 1. And you can see that if I take y equal to 1, then derivative 1 is 0. So this is 0 and this is 1. 1 equal to 1. Yeah, it's correct. For c equal to 0, you can even verify it so easily.